VIVO T4 5G versus VIVO 200T Ultimate Face-Off 1 vs Editorial Tech Comparison. कौन बनेगा असली चैंपियन? The contenders. Quick look. 21,999 base. 59,999 base. Launch. Launch April 2025. Launch Jan 2026. Segment. Mid-range. Battery King. Segment. Premium Sub-Flagship. Design and aura. In-hand feel. Quad curved magic. Flat premium armor. Ultra slim. 7.89 mm. Weight 199 grams. Solid grip 205 grams. IP65 rating. IP68/IP69 waterproof. Verdict: tie. Curved lovers versus flat display fans. Display: OTT and gaming feel. VIVO T4 5G. VIVO 200T. 6.77-inch 5000 nits peak FHD Plus AMOLED. 6.67-inch 5000 nits peak 1.5K AMOLED by 150%. 120 Hz curved immersion. 120 Hz flat and sharp. Winner: VIVO 200T. 1.5K resolution का जादू. Performance: असली beast कौन? VIVO T4 5G. Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 4nm. Antutu score 820,000 plus. Casual gaming boss. VIVO 200T. Dimensity 9400 plus 3nm. Antutu score 280,000 plus. Extreme FPS feel. Winner: VIVO 200T. Unbeatable flagship power. Camera, photography and reels. VIVO T4 5G. 50 megapixel Sony IMX882 OIS. 2 megapixel depth sensor. 32 megapixel front. Good for daily snaps. Zeiss 50 megapixel. Zeiss main IMX921. Zeiss 50 megapixel ultra wide. Zeiss 50 megapixel periscope. 100x zoom. Cinematic portraits. Winner: VIVO 200T. Pro level Zeiss magic. Power: never die battery. VIVO T4 5G. 7300 mAh monster. VIVO 200T. 6200 solid. 90 watt wired charging. 2-day backup guarantee. 490 watt wired plus 40 watt wireless. Premium convenience. UI and AI. Makhan smooth. VIVO T4 5G. FunTouch OS 15, Android 15. Good customization. Good customization. Slight bloatware. 2-year OS updates plus 2-year. 3-year, 4-year, 5 years. 5-year OS updates. Origin OS 6, Android 16. Origin OS 6, Android 16. Origin Island multitasking, ultra-refined AI. Winner: VIVO 200T. Origin OS का premium feel. Extras, audio and sensors. VIVO T4 5G. Mono speaker, flat sound. Profile, optical in-display fingerprint. Standard biometrics. VIVO 200T. Stereo speakers, loud and clear. 3D sound. 3D ultrasonic fingerprint. Instant and secure unlocking. Winner: VIVO 200T. Clear flagship tech. Real talk. Pros and cons. VIVO T4 5G. Pros: insane 7300 mAh battery. Beautiful curved design. Value for money. Cons: mono speaker. Average fingerprint. Single usable main camera. VIVO 200T. Pros: Dimensity 9400 plus power. Epic Zeiss cameras. Wireless charging. Cons: expensive. Slight heat on extreme gaming. No LTPO screen. Final verdict: kaunsa kharide? Best for battery and budget. VIVO T4 5G. Best value for money. VIVO T4 5G. Best camera and gaming. VIVO 200T. Overall winner: VIVO 200T. If budget allows, it's an absolute beast. आपका क्या सीन है? आप किस फोन को चूज करोगे? Comment down below. Like, share, subscribe.